Here's how to buy shares of Pyramid AG, a German industrial company listed on Xetra under the ticker M3B.de. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker M3B.de to find Pyramid AG. Select the result that clearly shows the Xetra listing to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct listing. Check the exchange field shows Xetra and the ticker M3B.de. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once your order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.